everybody, this is Doug at Jammin Auto and Tire. I'm going to show you something we saw in the shop today. We're working on a 2008 Kia Sportage with the 2.0 4-cylinder in there. And what we found when we brought this car in was we could see that there was a hole rubbed in the timing cover. Now this cover goes down in here, and we saw a hole rubbed, and we know there's a gear behind there, so we know something is going on. So we took this cover off, and what we're finding is this timing belt. You can see all the rubber shavings are all over the place, but this belt is creeping off of this pulley, and it was actually grinding on this timing cover. That's how we knew something was wrong. Now this belt, I don't know for sure, probably should be replaced. Manufacturer recommendations every 60,000 miles. This car is about 140,000, never been done. And here's why this is so important. This is a timing belt. As you can see, it's on the inside of the engine. What this gear does right here is it turns a camshaft. There's actually two of them up in there, but it turns a camshaft. And at the same time, this belt's being turned by a pulley down at the bottom, which is our crankshaft pulley. So what happens is when the crankshaft pulley goes around, your pistons go up and down in the cylinder. So they're down in here, going up and down. And then this part right here is your cylinder head, and it has your valves that go up and down this way. So if this belt were to ever jump a tooth or break like it was getting ready to do, it messes up the internal synchronization. So what happens is this piston comes up while this piston, normally they clear each other, and once again they're synchronized, but once this belt breaks or jumps a tooth, they hit each other and it bends this valve, which is catastrophic to the engine. In most cases it's at least new engine. Maybe you can take the cylinder head off, have the bent valves replaced or repaired, but not repaired, but replaced. But it's a lot of money on an older car. It's just not worth it. It might be worth putting a whole engine there. So anyway, timing belt. If you have what's called the interference engine, you really need to make sure that this belt gets changed every couple of years. And because it's on the inside of the engine, it's not something that we can see readily. It's not something that's cheap. It's usually going to be rather expensive. But in this case, we caught it before it happened, and this engine should be able to live a little longer life as we go.